Austin is known for its vibrant music scene, growing neighborhoods, and active lifestyle. But with that energy can come outside noise, from traffic and construction to busy streets and neighborhood activity. If you've noticed unwanted sound making its way into your home, your windows may be part of the problem. Double-hung windows are a popular choice in Austin not only for their classic style and ventilation flexibility, but also for their ability to help reduce outside noise when built and installed properly. Here's how they contribute to a quieter, more comfortable home. How noise enters your home. Sound travels through air gaps, thin glass, and poorly insulated frames. Older windows, especially single-pane models or those with worn seals, often allow noise to pass through easily. If you live near a main road, school, or commercial area in Austin, you may hear passing vehicles, lawn equipment, neighborhood gatherings. Ongoing development. Upgrading to modern double-hung windows can significantly reduce that disruption. Multi-pane glass for better sound control. One of the biggest improvements in today's double-hung windows is insulated glass. Double-pane windows feature 2 layers of glass separated by an air or gas-filled space. This extra layer creates a barrier that dampens sound vibrations. For homeowners seeking even greater noise reduction, triple-pane glass options provide an additional layer of insulation. Some double-hung windows also offer laminated glass, which includes a special interlayer that absorbs sound waves more effectively. This is particularly beneficial for homes located near busy Austin roadways. Tight seals reduce sound leakage. Modern double-hung windows are designed with improved weather stripping and precision-engineered frames. When closed and locked, both the top and bottom sashes create a secure seal. Reducing air leaks also reduces sound infiltration. Even small gaps can allow noticeable noise to enter your home. High-quality double-hung windows minimize these gaps, helping create a quieter interior. Professional installation plays a key role here. Proper alignment and insulation around the frame ensure there are no hidden openings where sound can travel through. Frame materials that help block noise. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, common in modern double-hung windows, offer better sound insulation than older aluminum frames. These materials do not conduct sound as easily and help absorb vibrations. Combined with insulated glass, they create a multi-layer defense against outside noise. For Austin homeowners looking to balance durability and sound performance, these frame materials offer long-term benefits. Ventilation without sacrificing comfort. Double-hung windows are known for their ventilation flexibility. You can open the top sash to allow warm air to escape or the bottom sash to bring in fresh air. When you need quiet, however, simply closing and locking both sashes restores the window's tight seal. This flexibility allows you to control airflow during mild Austin evenings while still maintaining strong noise reduction when needed. Ideal for bedrooms and home offices. If outside noise is affecting your sleep or concentration, upgrading bedroom or home office windows can make a significant difference. Double-hung windows with sound-reducing glass help create a more peaceful environment, whether you're winding down at night or working remotely during the day. Energy efficiency. As a bonus, noise reduction and energy efficiency often go hand in hand. Insulated glass and tight seals that block sound also reduce heat transfer. In Austin's warm climate, energy-efficient double-hung windows help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while potentially lowering cooling costs. A quieter, more comfortable Austin home. Outside noise doesn't have to disrupt your daily life. Modern double-hung windows offer a practical solution that combines classic design with improved sound control. With multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and professional installation, these windows can help transform your Austin home into a quieter, more relaxing space, while still providing the ventilation and style homeowners love.